When you open GoPanda for the first time, we are in the main room. If we want to see multiple rooms, then we have this list here. Then we can select the room we're interested in. To change the rooms or to see between rooms, you can click here with the tabs. You can, of course, see more rooms. You can be in more than one room at the same time. If you challenge a person or get challenged by a person in a room, then the game will happen in that room. So for example, I'm challenged by Higaki right now and I accept. I can go between the games I play and rooms I'm in to see. This game happens in no rated games. It's not visible here yet because it has not been refreshed. If you click the refresh, then see, you can see the game between me and Higaki.